Squatting has been a long-standing problem across Jamaica. People deciding to occupy lands without permission, leading to informal settlements. While the government works on a comprehensive program to tackle the issue, there's now a zero-tolerance approach to those who occupy Crown lands.
We have met with all the MPs with a squatting challenge. So as of today, June 9th, people who go onto Crown lands will no longer be considered for a settlement program. If you're there already, you're there already. But we're not dealing with the new people. And after further investigations, those who sell Crown lands will be prosecuted and those who buy will lose their money. Yes. So check with the National Land Agency before you buy any cheap land. Buying land is not like buying rice and flour. There is a legal process, but always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, then it is not true. Save your money. We have done drone and spatial surveys, and we know what is already on Crown lands. So if you go on the land after today, you must face the consequences. No member of parliament, nor councillor, nor JP, nor big man, nor area leader can sell government land. So to those persons scamming people and says the MP send them, stop it. Because the MP never send you go do nothing like that.